Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. This hafta is going to be extremely eventful and important. Volatility can be high. Kyunki first we have the Adani FPO and what's happening with the Adani stock. The first 2 days, that's today and tomorrow, it's going to be important, or uska impact will be felt in equity markets and in turn could be felt on the Indian rupee as well indirectly. Second, the mega event, the budget, that's on Wednesday morning. It's going to impact equity, currency, commodity, all of them. Third, Fed meeting on Wednesday midnight. Very important for all the currency markets, commodity markets, all the markets. Fourth and fifth, Thursday, Bank of England और European Central Bank. ये दोनों banks का meeting है and both are live. So the Fed, ECB and BOE, तीनों central banks are expected to hike rates. Fed is expected to hike by 25 basis point. ECB and BOE are expected to hike by 50 basis point. And plus on Friday, we have the US jobs report. Iske alawa, there are other forms of data as well from Europe and US. So this week is going to see a large volatility, which means jo weekly options hai USD INR mein, they can have high implied volatility. So keep that in mind. Don't just go short a straddle or a strangle blind, because ye sub event risk mein, you don't want to be caught with a large exposure to a short straddle or a strangle. Agar short options karna hi hai, then look at iron flies than looking at unhedged strategies like straddle or strangle. Dusra cheez, what is the range right now? 81.40 se 81.85 90 का एक range है USD INR में spot में. तो सपोर्ट अगर देखा जाए तो 81.45 के आसपास है, 40.45. If it breaks 81.45 and sustains, then there is a possibility that it can go and test an 81.40 levels as the support. But if it breaks 81.40, then you could be looking at a breakdown and a retest of the recent lows of 80.85 on the spot. So 81.40.45 is a very important support level. If that breaks with volume, you are looking at a possible breakdown and a down move in the USD INR towards 80.85 on the spot. At the same time, अगर ये 81.90 या 82 के ऊपर sustain होता है, then it will be termed as a breakout, and then we can see a move towards 82.5 or 82.80 in fact. So keep that in mind. This range of 81.40 to 81.90 is very important one. 50 पैसे करीब का ये range है. Till we are in the range, of course, you can look at playing within the range, which means closer to 81.50 on the spot, you can buy because your stop loss is small. And closer to 81.90 on the spot, you can look to sell because your stop loss will be above 82. But once the prices move out of range, tab don't try to play contrarian, because then the bet should be with the trend. Agar breakdown hota hai, to short. Agar breakout hota hai, to go long. So this is how you trade a range and a range breakdown or a breakout after that. Again, as I said, it's going to be an eventful week. So agar dollar rupee is going into these kind of events with a range, iska matlab ye events ka impact becomes even more significant. So keep that in mind. Cross currencies mein euro, GBP and yen, ये तीनों currencies may stay range bound ahead of these three important central bank meetings starting Wednesday night. So आज कल, or even in fact Wednesday as well, we might see a range bound, a kind of a movement in the euro, pound and yen. But euro INR, GPNR or JPY INR mein the volatility can increase with the movement in USD INR. In case USD INR makes a breakout or a breakdown kind of a move, it's going to definitely impact these rupee pairs. So keep that in mind. That's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.